Are you seeking a powerful strategy to help you jumpstart your New Year's resolutions? Well, today I'm going to share 3 quick challenges that you can begin to incorporate this year to help you gain and maintain the momentum you need to see your vision through. The first challenge is called the reverse challenge. A lot of times when we're moving towards new goals and dreams and resolutions, it can be hard to start something new. So instead of trying to add something, you can think of something you can remove. So for example, if you want to lose weight, instead of thinking about ways you can incorporate going to the gym 3 days a week, maybe you can think about how you can remove pop from your diet. The second challenge is called the minimalist game. I love this so much, but basically what you do is you start on the first of the month and you get rid of one thing. The second day of the month, you get rid of 2 things. The third day of the month, you get rid of 3 things, and so on and so forth until you get to the 30th or 31st day. This challenge will help you to cultivate a minimalist mindset, help you to have a more organized space and more organized mind. The final challenge I recommend is the 21-day no complaint experiment. This is 21 days, consecutive days of no gossiping, criticizing, or complaining. If you find yourself falling back into that pattern, you got to start again. Using this challenge helps you to focus on the things that are most important and helps you to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and optimism. As we move into the New Year's, I invite you to give one of these strategies or experiments a try. And let's make this new year amazing. Happy New Year to you.